It's cleaning day today. It's Monday. I'm gonna, look through all her toys because she does not touch half of this. So where do I take? I don't want to throw it away. I went to Once Upon a Child, but I'm not trying to go again. Should I just donate it or like throw them out? I'm gonna be organizing them inside these, and then putting 3 back in here. Maybe put one up there. I'm gonna look through her clothes too because she has too much. This one and that one and these 4 are hers. And I have a big ass trash bag right there. So wish me luck. It's about to be 2:30. So we're gonna see how long this takes. I just organized her books, so this is good right now. Just got home from the lake too, so we're gonna clean and then shower. Oh, and I gotta update you guys. She's been sleeping on her own bed, so now my bed is to myself now. It feels a little weird, but we're getting used to it. She's been sleeping, like staying there all night, so I'm good. I'm all done. Everything's organized. I didn't touch anything up here because they're all like organized, so when she doesn't play with them, I'll probably just donate it. And I put the smallest stuffed animals here. And then in her little chest, they're all organized. There was a lot of shit in here. She doesn't use this little car right here, but I'm not gonna donate it yet because she got it for Christmas. And in her little area's clean. And I was thinking of doing her clothes today, but I think I'm gonna wait till winter or before spring of next year because these all fit her still. But I'm pretty sure she's gonna grow and they're not gonna fit her by the time it's, next summer. And she has a little bit of winter clothes, but we can go shopping later. All right, bye. It's nap time. It's nap time. Oh, I forgot to mention. It's 3:31. So only took me 1 hour to finish organizing all her toys. We're gonna watch The Vampire Diaries while my laundry is getting done. My room is clean, everything's organized, and we're gonna take a nap.